Hello and welcome back to my channel. You might remember that I studied constitutional law in college, and here on this channel, I've urged the U.S. government to ratify a constitutional amendment to preserve the victory from 2015, marriage equality. They still haven't done it. And now, with the overturning of Roe v. Wade, the attack on the right of privacy is in full swing. Family autonomy is under threat. Let us be clear. Marriage is legal protection and commitment. Whether it's a priest, a rabbi, a pastor, or your neighbor who just got ordained online and officiates your wedding in the dining room with a couple of your best friends, marriage is about legal rights. It's about safety. It's protection. I'm not talking about marriage in the Catholic Church's eyes. I'm talking about marriage as far as the state is concerned. Marriage is a civil right, just as vital as life and liberty. Think about what couples do right before or after they get married. They buy a house. They build a life. They create stability. But let's not forget, the government hasn't always respected marriage. Slave owners tore families apart when it suited them. They didn't care who they harmed or which bonds they destroyed. That legacy of disregard still echoes today. And now, we're facing another threat. Kim Davis. Yes, that Kim Davis is asking the illegitimate supermajority on the Supreme Court to overturn marriage equality. If they take her case, it could undo decades of progress, not just for the LGBTQ+ community, but for black families, disabled couples, and anyone whose rights hinge on legal recognition. It would make it legal again to discriminate based on sexual orientation or gender identity. And don't be surprised if race and disability get pulled into that rollback too. We have to remember how Kim Davis rose to her so-called, quote, stardom. She denied a same-sex couple a marriage license, citing her, quote, religious beliefs. In my video Why Being Gay and Christian Isn't a Contradiction, I already proved that argument is a bunch of baloney. This isn't just about one cleric. It's whether our government will protect families or dismantle them. It's about whether privacy, autonomy, and dignity will survive this moment. So I'm asking you, stay informed. Speak out. Because marriage equality is not just about love. It is about lineage, safety, and the right to build a life without fear. I am calling on all who love love, all who love justice, all who love righteousness, to rise, to put a stop to this attack, not just on marriage, but on dignity, on privacy, on the right to build a life without fear. This is not a debate. This is a reckoning. When the state tries to unmake our families, we respond with lineage. When courts threaten our rights, we answer with ritual, with memory, with movement. Marriage is not a privilege. It is a civil right. It is protection. It is promise. We will not go back. We will not be erased. We will not let Kim Davis or any court undo what love has built. So I am asking you, if you believe in love, in justice, in the sacred right to choose your family, stand with us. Speak out. Organize. Vote. Testify. Make noise. Because love is not up for debate. And justice is not optional. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon.